robotic arms. Okay, Yukta? Yeah. So robotic arms, this hand should be straight. It should be in the parallel to the ground, and this one will move like this. This hand is stuck. So this is perpendicular to the ground. This is parallel. This is gonna go this way. This is gonna come this way. So first you'll do together. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. 6 of them. Then alternative. In. This exercise is called as 90, 180, or also called as robotic arms, the other side. So there are 4 variants in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this is open close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This is how it is. Can you do that? This hand will go here. So this is parallel to the ground and this is sticking to the body. Yes. Go ahead. Yeah. This will go a little up. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now open close. Open close. Yes. Correct. Like this. First like this. Yeah. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely. Other side now. This is now adhering to this thing. This one. Yes. Yeah. Start. 2. Very nice. Doing really well. Just stick this to the body. Yes. 6. Now open close. Fully. Yukta, when you are doing this, you have your awareness that this is always straight. You should not come down. Yes. Go ahead. Yes. Like this. Yeah. Much better. Maintaining the degrees, the angles is very important. If you can see this, this should not go down. This should continue to be up. Yes. With practice, practice makes progress. Practice makes permanent, and only finally practice makes perfect.
Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Which I want you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.